The atmosphere inside the department is really friendly. I would say it's the closest thing to a family I've found outside of my own home. Literally, you can ask anyone a question here, be it academic, be it assistive staff, be it student. You can ask them a question, and they will, help you with a smile. No one's ever going to turn you away, and it's just really nice. I don't want to go home at the end of the day sometimes. That's how amazing it is here.
The atmosphere in labs is fairly productive. I mean, there are people who are there all the time and yet still have time to go to the pub and go out and be social, and we're not quite entirely sure if they're human or not. They know who they are. Seriously, they work so much and they're so good at it. I mean, how do... I don't know. But no, it's one of pleasant, I guess, enthusiasm, and we all sit around at work, and I tend to wander around talking to other people, preventing them from doing legitimate work, but it's all in the guise of being friendly, so it's totally okay.
You learn from each other. I like hardware, I like software. The electronics people obviously have more focus on hardware, and the computer science like software. We tend to mix quite a lot. We don't tend to separate ourselves out as much as you might think. We share the same lab space, and I've made lots of friends from both disciplines, and we've done projects together and done all sorts of cool things.
The fact that ECS did electronics and computer science was one of the main things that actually brought me to come here, because I really like the fact that although I'm doing computer science, if I wanted to do some interesting things with circuitry and hardware, there's all the support here and all the guys here who are doing it, so I can work with them to do something cool with the more electronic side. I mean, I know that student robotics have a lot of computer scientists who enjoy doing hardware work.
Everyone's like I said, everyone's really helpful, and you do get the opportunity to go on modules with other courses, and it's really interesting to see how different people think and different people's skills and strengths when they come together in group projects is really good.
I'm doing electronics, so I have modules on software development, for example, so I can always interact with students from other courses on areas of my course that I think maybe I need a different perspective.
When you go into labs, you can almost smell the innovation. These are some of the best minds in the country.